Alright, what's up guys? Young Moto back at it with another Moto vlog. Dope ass Hellcat. No, I've never been back there, so I might as well go and see what's going on back there. This is dope. Yo, this is actually kind of cool. There's so much open space back here. It's awesome. This is sick. I didn't realize there was a bunch of trails back here either. I'm definitely gonna have to come back. Well, dude, I kind of wish I could stay, but I'm surprised this gate's not open. The other gate's open. I'm gonna have to like pull some hood rat shit.
Hi, welcome to Joey.
Dude, if your fucking camera's on, I'm gonna beat your ass.
It is.
Wait, aren't you like Young Moto or something?
Yeah, that's me.
No way, I've seen your fucking videos.
Totally gonna put you on the internet without your consent.
Your bike is a bike.
Yeah. Time to loop the bike. What is he doing? What a freaking goon.
I don't like it, bro. Put down your control.
Okay. Alright, well today we're gonna be looking for clowns. Yeah. That wasn't even fair, I'm pissed. Okay, so apparently, I don't know, something's happening, but we had like almost a lockdown today because a clown, like a legitimate clown, was walking around our campus. It was crazy. So we're gonna search for him.
Yeah, let's go park by the cheerleaders to look at all the
Young Moto. Sorry. You just said let's park by the cheerleaders. She stared at asses, and then you parked by the football team.
Yeah.
Fag. Hey, fag.
Hey guys, Doom Moto here with Doom Moto and Young Moto.
What? Hey, fuck you! So if you're wondering why my bars are somewhat bent, that is also the reason why I haven't uploaded in like a week. So I let a friend ride my bike, and long story short, he crashed it. So we've all learned lessons. Just I guess be careful who you let ride your bike.
Pop, pop, pop. You get out of my good
What a little weirdo. What a little queerdo. Oh shit, there's a f***ing bee! Holy crap! Yo, there's a bee, bro. Stop.
What do I do?
Yo, it's trying to make a nest in your headlight. Oh!
Get the f*** out of here,
Yo, you, Scott. Yo,
holy shit. Dude, have you ever had
You, Scott. Well, if you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you watching, and don't forget to press that subscribe button and maybe drop a like. See you guys in the next one.